I proceed eastward on my crossing Eurasia trip. After I visited the prehistorical site Cromlech of Almendres, now it's time for the next significant destination on my route, the town of Évora. Évora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a lot of history and culture, so it is worth exploring it. I arrived in the next town on my route. This is Évora. It is a small town but full of culture and history, so I will go to explore some of the most significant points of interest here. Let's go. I just left my car in a parking lot south of the town walls, and before I enter the old town, I visit the first point of interest in Évora, the Chapel of Saint Blaise, built at the end of the 15th century to serve as a shelter for plague victims. Despite its dark past, it is a fascinating place, notable for its unique Gothic architecture. Not far from this church, already inside the walls, is the Church of Saint Francis, a medieval church notable for its Chapel of Bones. Now I don't enter inside, but you can explore it in the video Évora, Portugal, Chapel of Bones, São Francisco Church, Best Bargain Lunch by Frugal Travelers. I move to the northern side of the old town and start exploring it, first wandering on the narrow streets. Soon I reach the most spectacular building in Évora, the Cathedral of Évora. I'm going to enter inside, but before that I will visit a site from older times, the Roman Temple. The Roman temple was most probably built during the reign of Emperor Augustus. It was constructed in Corinthian style and became one of the main landmarks of the town. There is a nice garden in front of the temple with panoramic views of the town from above. After the Roman temple, I go on a stroll in the picturesque narrow streets of the old town. Like most old towns in the world, this one is full of souvenir shops, cafes, small restaurants and outdoor stalls, creating unique local cultural vibes. After my walk around the old town, I back to the cathedral again. Now it's time to enter inside. The Cathedral of Évora is an important landmark because it is the largest medieval cathedral in Portugal. It was built in the 12th century after the Reconquista from the Muslims. During the first few centuries it was renovated and enlarged a few times until it became what is it today. I ascend to the roof of the cathedral and enjoy this landmark from there and the views of the old town from above. I am in the first floor of the cathedral again and watch its rich wall art and its whole interior. The most notable person related to the cathedral was King Henrique, who was briefly a king of Portugal in the second half of the 16th century and a cardinal of Évora. In the following centuries, the cathedral became also a music educational center related to the music of the Renaissance. Inspired by Évora's timeless beauty, subscribe now to follow every step of my crossing Eurasia journey. With this I am going to leave Évora, but there is another point of interest not far from the town. I proceed on my route in the northeastern direction. My next goal is a place still related to Évora, although it is not in the town. It is called the Hill of Évora or Evoramonte. And indeed, it is a prominent mountain beside the main roads to Spain, visible from afar, with a castle on its top. This is Evoramonte. I am on the top of the hill. Everything is silent, there are no tourists here. There is only a tranquil village and a large, dark castle beside it. This is the castle of Evoramonte. Initially there was only a fortress built in the late 12th century, but the castle that we see today was erected in the 16th century. It is notable for its knots, symbols of Braganza family. Now the castle is closed, so I can walk only around it and enjoy the panoramic views of this part of the Iberian Peninsula from above.
My next goal is the town of Elvas, another town with rich culture and history, the last town on my route in Portugal before I enter Spain. So stay with me in this trip and subscribe to our channel Journey Beyond the Horizon for more video journeys.